good, YouTube? R&R Motorsports back at you guys with another one. Today I'm going to be updating the tune on my 6 Series. It's still going to be MHD Stage 2 Plus, but I'm going to be changing some of the settings as well as some of the burble settings, and I'll show you guys all of that. So the reason why I have the car parked up over here with the hood open is because I'm about to plug it in. The car has been sitting for a couple of days, so I'm going to plug it in before I do this. But if you guys drive your car every day for like an hour a day, you could just leave the car in accessory mode and flash it. But since I only drive this car every couple of days, I'm going to plug it in just to be safe. So if you guys are going to connect it to an OEM BMW battery charger, you're going to want to make sure it's set to lithium ion if you have a 6 Series, because I'm pretty sure every 6 Series has a lithium ion battery. So yeah. Here. Cool. And as you guys just saw, it is connected. Alright, so now once you guys have the car hooked up, or if you guys drive the car every day, you're going to want to put the car into accessory mode. So like this, with all the lights on, and then you're going to want to turn off your AC. You could set your lights to off as well, save some of the battery. And you're gonna need MHD F+G on your iPhone, as well as the MHD universal adapter, because they don't sell the black one anymore. But it's better because if you have an E-Series car, you could do the same thing. I'm gonna have to do it again because I opened the door, but once you guys do this, you're gonna want to make sure you leave your door closed and your seatbelt on so the computer stays on. And then I'm going to plug this into the OBD2 and get back in with you guys. So now we got the OBD2 connected and I got my seatbelt on. So we're going to go to flash a MHD map. It's connecting. Maybe the brightness up is better for you guys to see. Oh, maybe brightness down actually. So we're going to do... Alright you guys, now that I got everything connected, I'm gonna flash stage 2 plus 93 octane. It should be a short write because I already have everything set up to the car. Oh, now it's not detecting the adapter because I have Wi-Fi off. Let me put my Wi-Fi on and put my phone back to airplane mode. Sorry guys, this thing is always a little bit of a process because you have to make sure everything gets connected. So we're gonna do stage 2 plus 93 octane. Let's see if it connects now. Let's do options. I'm gonna go through the options and then show it to you when I'm done with them. Alright you guys, so these are my settings. I have activate anti-lag. The boost target is 12 psi. Allow MHD plus controls. For my exhaust setup, I have aftermarket downpipes. Remove the top speed limiter and then increase the iDrive gauge power. I have the overrun BRAP. I just changed it from short to long, so that's what I'm going to show you guys. And then my duration in base is half a second. In sport it's 1.8. My aggressiveness is medium. The minimum RPM is 2600. The max RPM is 7000. And then I have it to set off at 75 miles an hour. I have the exhaust flap always open in sport mode, even though I have a custom exhaust now. And I have the startup roar enabled. All of the hardware support is OEM in stock. And then the coolant target, this is new that I'm trying out. I have it on sport so the car stays cooler. So this is what I'm going to flash. All right, let's long ride it. Alright you guys, so I'll get back in with you when this flash is done. Once again, make sure you guys' phone is on airplane mode so no one can call you and interrupt this process. Make sure your seatbelt is on, and you can't open your door because it'll shut off your DME. So make sure your door stays closed. So now I erased all 3 sections. It says flashing the ECU. It started at 10 minutes, now it dropped down to 5, 4. So as you guys can see, the wireless adapter is definitely the way to go. I used to do this with the wired adapter with the connection to your phone, but it used to take really long. Like the whole flash would probably take like 15 minutes maybe. As you guys can see, it's doing it super fast. So yeah, about 2 minutes left. So I finished the flash. Now it's gonna clear out all the codes. So check engine light just flashed, the driving stability warning just flashed, but it's gonna clear it out. The total write time was 2 minutes and 53 seconds, so it was pretty fast. Honestly, I probably could have got away without using the battery charger, but for my peace of mind, I always plug the car in when I can, and I was at the house right now, so I just plugged it in. But yeah, I'm gonna go disconnect the battery charger, then I'll start up the car and I'll take you guys on a little POV drive. So let's get into it. All right, you guys, so I just started the car, put it in drive, just like pull out. But yeah, everything seems to be working good. As you guys can see though, the car is cold, so I'll pick up the camera once the car warms up. So yeah. What's it called? The long grab sounds crazy. You can really hear it when you let off. There's some shit in the road I have to brake for. You guys hear that? Oh my god. This Tesla got some nice taillights. Valve sounded crazy right now, guys. Yo, that shit makes your turbo spool like crazy. There's a cop up ahead, so I'm gonna put the camera down. Can't really speed over here because it's Golden Beach. So for those of you guys who know, you know. But yeah, it's a nice view though. fucking long brap sounds so good. And it's like it makes the blowout valve sound crazier. Like, it's honestly insane. So cop on my right, hopefully it doesn't pull me over. I'm doing like 60 and I'm behind a fucking Toyota, so it's not like I'm in the middle lane gunning it past everybody. Yeah, I don't think he pulled out. But yeah, guys, this shit, the long, if you guys have a Turbo Smart blowout valve and you pair it with the long brap, it makes the blowout valve spool hella hard. So I don't know what the fuck that shit does. Maybe it like holds the boost or something, but it sounds freaking insane. I'm really satisfied with the way it sounds. So yeah, let's see if I can get some more POV for you guys before I get back to the house. But as you guys can see, there's kind of like a long line of traffic over here. But yeah, get back into it with you guys after the light. Alright, you guys, so that should wrap it up for this video. Basically, the only thing I really updated in my tune was changing the brap from short to long. And honestly, I'm in love with the way it sounds because it makes the blowout valve spool way harder. Aside from that though, everything else pretty much stayed the same on this car. We got a bunch of future mods coming for the 6, so I hope you guys stay tuned. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.